Think you know everything about flying? Think again. Airlines have a few tricks up their sleeves, and they don't always advertise the perks that could make your journey smoother and more affordable, especially for seasoned travelers like you. We're pulling back the curtain today. We're revealing 6 powerful senior travel secrets that most people over 60 never even realize exist. These aren't just minor tips. They could completely change the way you fly, offering comfort, convenience, and savings. Airlines won't exactly roll out the red carpet with these benefits unless you know exactly what to ask for. Get ready to feel like an insider. Let's dive into these little-known advantages you absolutely deserve. You might think senior fares are a thing of the past, but some airlines still offer them. They aren't always advertised prominently online. You often have to dig a little, or better yet, ask directly. These fares can sometimes offer a percentage off the standard rate. It might not be available on every single flight or route, but it's always worth checking. Don't assume the price you see online is the final word. The key here is proactive inquiry. When booking, especially over the phone or through a travel agent, specifically ask if they have senior discounts available for your flight. You might be pleasantly surprised. Airlines often board passengers in groups, and priority boarding is usually reserved for first class or frequent flyers. However, many airlines offer assistance boarding for those who need a little extra time or help getting settled. While not strictly a senior perk, this service is invaluable for older travelers. It allows you to board before the main rush, giving you ample time to find your seat and stow your luggage without feeling pressured or rushed. You need to request this assistance when booking or checking in. Simply state that you require assistance boarding. It ensures a much more relaxed start to your journey. Paying extra for seat selection has become standard practice. But did you know that sometimes, if you have a specific need, airlines might waive this fee? This is particularly true if you require a seat with more legroom due to a medical condition or simply need an aisle seat for easier access. While not guaranteed, explaining your need politely can sometimes result in the fee being waived. It's about communicating your requirements clearly to the airline representative. This is another benefit that isn't openly advertised. It often requires a direct conversation with customer service, explaining why a specific seat is necessary for your comfort and well-being during the flight. Navigating large airports can be daunting, especially with luggage. Airlines offer mobility assistance services that can help you from the moment you arrive at the terminal all the way to your departure gate. This service includes wheelchair assistance if needed, but also help with navigating security and getting to your gate. It's designed to make the airport experience stress-free and manageable. You must arrange this service in advance, ideally when you book your flight, or at least 48 hours beforehand. Don't wait until you get to the airport. Pre-booking ensures they have staff available to assist you promptly. Life happens, and sometimes plans change. While standard tickets often come with hefty change fees, airlines sometimes offer more flexibility, especially if you encounter unforeseen circumstances. While not a specific senior policy, explaining your situation clearly and politely to customer service can sometimes lead to waived or reduced change fees. It's about appealing to their discretion. Some airlines also have specific policies for compassionate travel or medical emergencies that can offer flexibility. Knowing these exist and asking if your situation qualifies is key. Airline lounges offer a quiet, comfortable escape from the busy terminal, often with complimentary snacks and drinks. You don't always need a first-class ticket or elite status to get in. Many airlines offer day passes for their lounges, which can be purchased. However, some credit cards or memberships you might already have could grant you access. Check your existing cards and memberships. Sometimes, simply asking about lounge access options at the check-in counter can reveal possibilities you weren't aware of. It's about exploring all avenues for a more comfortable wait. These 6 secrets aren't always handed to you on a silver platter. They require you to be informed and proactive. Knowing what to ask for is half the battle. Don't hesitate to call the airline directly, speak to a representative, and inquire about these potential benefits. You've earned the right to a comfortable and affordable travel experience. Armed with this knowledge, your next flight can be significantly better. Remember these secrets, use them, and enjoy your travels to the fullest. Safe journeys. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more travel hacks every week. Before you go, check out this video where I break down more packing secrets to make your next trip stress-free. See you in the next one.